The world is often defined by grand, sweeping pronouncements. But history's true turning points are marked by a single sound. The sudden interrupt.
Huh? Uncle.
Son, wake up. The country's situation is bad.
The military has seized power.
Whispering. Impossible!
The rage was immediate, but so was the powerlessness. The world outside still looked beautiful, but the air had been poisoned.
The world didn't just stop, it...
The signal dies.
turns on the TV. The digital axe fell. This was the first, most terrifying weapon, isolation.
For 3 agonizing hours, there was only silence. TV flickers.
The Tatmadaw has taken control of the state. The silence had been broken by the voice of the oppressor. Connection partially returns.
What do we do next? I don't know, man. Three days. That was all the silence they would allow.
Isolation could not survive a collective heart.
Joining the protest.
That night, the real revolution of sound began.
Grabs the drum. The first hit.
The response builds.
This was the sound of defiance.
A thunder that belonged only to the people.